Let's talk about 5 common skincare mistakes that you could be making or doing and how to avoid them. So you may understand your minerals and your antioxidants and the acids and the retinol, but even though your skincare shelf is just bursting with all these kind of skincare goodies, there are few common skincare mistakes that you could be making and just totally not necessary or just actually harming your skin and your beauty. The first one is treating your skincare like a fashion or a trend. Of course, we always have the best intentions when it comes to taking care of our skin, but in the age of skincare selfies and all the TikTok and the Instagram and the stories and all the influencers that you see, it can be very easy to see all these videos and think, okay, this is the new thing, I'm gonna try it and use your skin like a guinea pig. And I can say that many, if not most, of the things that you see on these platforms are not the best way to address your skin, and you should always trust yourself and or advise, or get a professional advice, because you really don't want to try out stuff on your skin and then deal with unnecessary breakouts or irritations or stuff like that. The second thing that is a common mistake, it's a very quick cleansing. You can time yourself with your teeth brushing, but with skincare, you sometimes, and cleansing, you want to take your time, because going to bed, for example, with makeup or something like that will age you in 10 years like that. So the idea of a cleansing is to remove the makeup, remove SPF, remove all the dirt of the day, remove everything and create this clean canvas. So you want to take your time. I recommend to use 2 steps actually. If you have makeup, remove the makeup with a makeup remover that's based on oil and water, 2 phases, and then use a cleanser, because clean skin is really the base that create good skin for long term. The third thing, on the other hand, maybe it's using too much product. It can be tempting when you open a fresh bottle of your favorite cream or serum to dispense a full dropper or a lot of the cream and put it on your face, when you think maybe, oh, the more product I use, the better results. But that certainly is not the case. First, using too much product is wasteful. So you want to save, your money and your product. Second, applying too much product could lead to just over excessive reaction of the skin, placing too much oils on the skin, and you don't want to do that. And for example, with pure face cream, I always say, to my clients, you can use a little bit like a pea, because they are so rich, and you don't need to use too much to make it work, because it's very pure and natural ingredients. On the fourth one, we have not using enough product. So I'm not trying to overcomplicate things here, okay? I promise. But there are some products that must be applied in the correct quantities in order for them to perform properly. For example, to ensure that your face is really protected from the sun, which is the basic of anti-aging, you want to make sure you cover all your face and your neck with the sun protection. You want to, again, with the neck, also with the face cream. I don't believe in a separate cream for neck and separate for the face. You don't need that. But when you use your face cream, keep going down and make sure you cover the neck. And the last mistake that you might be doing is over exfoliating. So removing dead skin cells from the skin is important. It helps us reveal the new skin and make it cleaner and healthier. But a lot of skincare routines that you read for glowing skin might propose using like exfoliating every day or every second day, and that's destroy the natural barrier of the skin that help the skin to keep its hydration and water and healthy stuff. And also over exfoliating irritates the skin, so you want to be cautious about that. Choose an exfoliator that is gentle, will not dry your skin, and don't over exfoliate. Start with once a week. If you really like have an oily skin with excessive oil, you can go to twice a week if it's a gentle one. So again, not trying to overcomplicate, but I think these 5 tips can really make sure that you take good care of your skin, you don't overuse it, you don't underuse your products, and you get the result.